Okay, Hannah.
Daddy, let me be up. Hey, just grab onto the snow and come on.
Wow, this is so deep.
Yeah, help down there. Cool. I see tracks.
Do ya? From what?
Over there.
Oh yeah, there are tracks.
Over here, Mom.
Hold on, I want to see what they are.
Daddy, don't go over the tracks.
Man, this is deep.
Maybe someone's pet. Mom, this is so deep. It's like we're in a deep pool. Just look at this. It is not
I don't know what the heck that would be. Yeah, it looks like something was hopping.
Daddy, no! Don't go!
Weird.
Look, Mom.
Daniel, get away from the tracks, please.
I gotta go right over. Here. Mom, come here. There's bigger tracks. Look at this. Look at this. Daddy, stop.
Daniel, you guys have messed them all up.
No, Danny messed them up. Look what it did.
Yeah, it's some kind of animal.
Or us. Snake. No. There's no. We don't have snakes in our property.
Oh, it might have been the bunny.
A bunny?
Yeah, it might have been a bunny.
A snow bunny.
Yeah, that could have been the bunny
It might be over here.
hopping, because the bunny lives in these bushes.
I can see little tiny tracks. We can run in this deep snow. A little mountain. Well, there's no bunny. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at a branch. Ah. Wow, look at that car. Oh, Danny. No! Do not do that. The trees, Mama, the trees make it so wintry.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this tree. So pretty. Look at this. Look at this. Mom, just look at this. Oh, Danny, don't. More bunny track. Look, I guess it went in circles. It doesn't matter if we messed them up.
Yeah, because I wanted to show Daddy.
He's Daddy, come here. Dad, come here. Daddy, don't ruin the bunny track. Dad, come here. We saw bunny track. Yeah. Messed up.
They messed them all up, but there was some cool bunny tracks.
Look,
That had to have been what it was.
Daddy, look right here.
Or a cat, but it looked...
Coming that way. Okay?
Right here.
Oh yeah.
Look right here, Daddy.
Those are probably bird tracks there.
Really? I thought it was like a bunny, because it
No,
looks
'cause
like
you
it
can
was
see where he
hopping.
kinda hopped.
Yeah. It's a
Daddy,
big
look.
bird.
I mean.
It was a big bird.
Well, those look like, you know, like where a bird's feet are kind of,
Yeah.
like, you know,
Daddy,
spread out
look
then.
right here.
As a bird, that would make sense because it would hop.
Yeah.
Look right here. There's some bird tracks right here, Bunny.
Snow is just powder. You can't even make anything out of it. It stinks.
You know. We never get the good stuff here.
Yeah, those are good.
Yeah, if we had a bunny who was in the yard.
It all of a sudden just got colder. I swear.
We are running. We are running. We are running.
Oh, it's like, why are you up driving around?
No, Daddy,
What?
we found more. Look.
Yeah, that's where they started. It came across the yard.
Daddy, run. I'm going slow.
Yeah, this is deep.
Yeah.
It's like a foot deep.
Hi. What?
That?
I have no idea.
Neighbor.
Story?
No.
It's one of our neighbors, Danny. Sweetheart.
Look at handprints.
Yeah, my feet are already cold.
Yeah.
My feet I can feel the cold coming through.
Mm-hmm. Same with, even with these special boots on.
These are Brendan's, I think.
Yeah.
That's my dad.
He had special gloves.
Yeah, he did.
I'll invest in some.
Yeah.
And except for it's not going to snow now again for another 8 years.
Hey, look. I gotta get this one.
Hannah, I wouldn't. You're gonna knock all that snow right under your head.
Oh my god.
Hannah, don't get it all over his pants, okay?
Yeah, his pants are soaked already.
Yeah.
Hey! That's not nice. Here's what it's known. Hey, take this. Mom, we're gonna... Hi! Look at this.
Oh, you got me.
This is a big chunk of snow.
Don't throw it at my face.
We're gonna get you
Ah!
No.
Look at how Mom died. Take this, Daddy.
Sticking all to his gloves.
Hands getting all cold, Danny.
Take this, Daddy.
Hey, Hannah, not at my face.
I did
Come
it.
on. Hey, calm down. Let's not get each other all wet, okay?
Well, you can get wet because we're the snowy monsters. 3. Ah!
You got me.
My God, mine will be 6. 3.
Ah! Oh, you're getting me good. Oh, not in the face, guys. Okay, back up a little.
Mom, wait, be frozen.
No, don't you dare put that in my rear end. Are you trying to get me all wet?
No.
Sorry, I didn't mean to get that on your face. There you go.
No. Daddy, put some snow in your mouth.
As long as it's not yellow, you can put it in your mouth.
Because it's pea yellow.
You okay, buddy? That's the rocks over there. You can't walk over there. Oh my goodness, you're sinking. This is so fun.
Yeah, we never had snow like this. Look at this, guys. Look at.
Whoa.
Daddy, put some snow in your mouth. As long as it's not yellow.
Mm.
Yeah, the inner tube I have just isn't big enough.
Yeah.
Daddy, put some snow in your mouth. Why? As long as it's not yellow.
Yeah, that's a good point. Where did you hear that?
I said that.
I don't know. I don't remember. Daddy made a snow cone.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I don't want the one with dirt. I want the one that's at the top. Picture, please.
You okay, kiddo?
Cool.
Did you take it?
Mm-hmm. I tried anyways. Okay, I'm going to try and make it down the stairs without falling. Ooh, you know what? We haven't checked the mail in a few days.
I just checked it the other night, like 2 nights ago. On Monday when I was home.
Let's go see.
I kind of don't know if it's going to...
I know it came yesterday.
Wait.
I don't want to go around that way.
I do.
Let's go like this way.
Daddy.
This is more exciting this way.
You're going to mess up all the yard there. There's going to be tracks in it. Try.
What are you doing? Up here. Up here.
I need you to help me at some point carry that thing back into the shop too.
Yeah. Man, it's deep.
I got one day of school this week.
Yeah, I know.